So as we continue with the A minor pentatonic scale in different positions, we're now going to be looking at shape/box number 4. For this particular lesson, we're going to start on the 12th fret, and I'll walk you through the notes. Again, 2 notes per string, and we go from there. So it'll be 12, 15, I should say 12, 15, 12, 15, 12, 14, 12, 14. We do a bit of a shift where we're going to go 13, 15, back to 12, 15. So again, 12, 15, 12, 15, 12, 14, 12, 14. Again, shift 13, 15, back to 12, 15. Again, you can hear how all that, even though we're playing here, it ties in together with this root where we began our lesson with, the first lesson, the first video, with the root of the A minor, or I should say A, on the 6th string. One more to go.